So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why it's my duty to record video and try to be consistent because it's very important in my life because I don't have an environment, I don't have an idea how can I learn this language. So that's why I started my journey with the YouTube channel with the video content creating. So that's why I'm growing day by day because I have a beliefness on myself, my mind and my growth. So that's why I'm right now here. And that simple thing I'm always suggesting you all guys, because that is very important, I think so. And all the people on a YouTube channel, if you're searching how can I learn this language, you will get a lot of videos, but I think so it's not authentic. It's not a very big thing. It's not authentic because of I haven't approved because you have to go all the videos, but you are not capable to find a right video, and all the people suggesting you that same thing, which I want to break down the myth today. And the people is suggesting you that same thing again and again. You have to do it means all the people suggesting you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to learn vocabulary, you have to read books, many type of books. But I want to say that simple thing. If you really want to learn this language, is spoken English basically, then you don't have to do all the thing what is the other people is suggesting on a YouTube channel. Just build the habit to talk in English. Just build the habit. That is very simple. And the thing is that if you don't have people who just guide you, talk with you, and if the people is just mock at you, don't care about it. If you don't have people, doesn't matter. If you don't know how to talk a single word, you don't know the pronunciation, doesn't matter. The matter thing is only that you have a smartphone. That is it. That is enough for you. You have to record video on a daily basis for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, as per your wants, as per your time, and record it and upload on a YouTube channel. Do continuously for 6 months without breaking a single day. You will fluent. I have a guarantee because I have a proof. You can check it out my first video, and right now in front of you guys I am talking in that language and that fluency because of I know that how we learn this language. I know that how the things work. So that's why I'm always suggesting that simple thing. You can do it with your work. If you are doing private job, if you are doing government job, if you also want to learn this language, you don't have to care about anything. Just record your video, upload on YouTube channel. That is very simple thing. You have to make it. You have to do it because if you are doing that simple thing, you will learn this language very easily without making burden on your mind, and just simply you making the video. Why it's working? Because of English, I think so. English is not a language. It's a language, I accept it, but the thing is that it's more than that. And what is it? It's a habit. How the Hindi you are talking in English, how we can able to talk a local language, because we have a habit to talk in. We are not thinking about any word sentences whenever we are in a flow. So why it is happening? Because of our habit. Why it happened? Whenever we are talking, we are just be fluent in local language without any thinking single word, just because of habit. And that habit you have to make it if you really want to learn this language. So and it will make habit when you are continuously doing that same thing. I know in an initial phase, in a day one, you will not able to. It's a very tough thing. You're not able to do that thing. You have to go through a rough patches. You have to go through a on circumstantial situation, but the thing is that you have to go through it. You have to just take as a challenge. If you are not capable in front of camera, then you have to record it, and without talking single word, you have to stand it in front of camera. But the thing is that you don't have to stop your recording because it's very important. You have to do continuously for 30 days. You will 100% guarantee you will see the result. You will see the changes of yourself on yourself. So that's why I am always suggesting you have to do it, that simple thing, and you will be fluent. 100% guarantee I have, because I am doing that simple thing, and I'm not learning any type of English vocabulary, English grammar. I'm just only watching videos and just speaking. And for not whole day, I'm talking for 10 minutes for a year. For a 1 year, I am talking that simple. I am following that simple rule, and that's now the time. That's why I am in front of you guys, because of this have it. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you really want to learn this language, you don't have to just go here and there, search anything. Just record your video, just record it and upload on a YouTube channel. It's a very big achievement. It's a very best idea for you all guys. If you really want to learn this language, just just listen my words, simple words, record it, and don't fear about your mistakes. Mistake is very necessary. If you are fearing about your mistake, you will not able to do any work, anything. Don't fear about your mistake. Don't fear it, because mistake is only happen when you are trying. Mistake is just reflecting you guys, just saying that simple thing. Yeah, you have to correct it that. And if you are making mistake, and any person making mistake, because he has a achievement, he has a something to rectified. And if you rectified your mistake, basically mistake is what? Mistake is just a thing which really rectifying you and making you better day by day. That's why mistake is happening. I am making mistake, and when I made mistake, I just watched my video many times and just rectified. I improved. So that is what I want to convey here. If you're making mistake, you don't have to just demotivate it. You don't have to overthink about your mistakes. Whenever you are recording, you have to talk about anything, any randomly think about it, and watch by time your videos and find it what's the mistake. Write down in your copy and just see the what's the right way to tell the that simple words, that sentences, and it will really improve you. Trust me guys, it will really improve you, because you are just finding mistake, improving it, and making your day by day your better version. So that is why it's very important thing to making mistake. If you are making mistake, you have a chances to rectify it and correct it, and also do better in your life. So that's why I am always suggesting you, make it mistake, don't fear about it. Record randomly the video, the things, and you will improve day by day. That's why I'm suggesting that simple thing. Okay, so it's a very working trick, it's a very working thing what I'm suggesting you, and you don't have to give the lot of time in that, because English is a language which takes time. Any language takes time, because habit is not built in a single day. It's take time, it's a day, it's a month, then you will capable to make your habit. So make it habit to talk in English. And if you once make a habit to talk in English, it's a very easier for you to talk in front of other people. Trust me guys, because I also build that habit to talk in English, and then that's why I am in front of you guys explaining the thing in a simple way. And also I'm making mistake, and in this video there are a lot of mistake of mine, but I'm not fearing about it, because it's a habit of mine to not fear about my mistake. So that's why I'm not fearing about it. And the big achievement is that simple thing: I am making mistake, I am improving it day by day, and just becoming the next version of mine. It's a very important thing, and that's why I'm always suggesting you, make mistake, do it mistake as much as you can, rectify it, and just upload many videos on a YouTube channel. It will really very helpful for you. If you are uploading your videos, recording videos on a YouTube channel, not you are only just improving your language, you will building your confidence. If you are lucky, you will build your YouTube channel, you will learning something, how you will present yourself in front of camera. So there are a lot of things you will learn if you are recording a video, and that's why I'm suggesting you that simple thing. I told you, if I don't want to just saying you that simple thing, I told you a lot of things like talk with a wall and talk with your family, but it's not giving you a lot of benefit. If not give you benefit than your mobile phone, it will give you a lot of benefit. You have a recording video, so you will rectify your mistake. Very important thing is that you are rectifying your mistake. So this is the chance to learn this language. And trust me guys, it's a future of our language, it's a future of India. If you learn this language properly, it's a future, it's a genuine future. So that's why I'm suggesting you, learn this language as soon as possible, and you will get the benefit of 100% for the lifetime. If you're going anywhere, you will get the recognition, you will get the the public, because you have only the single advantage. So that's why I am always suggesting you that simple thing: learn it that language as soon as possible. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and my time is over. And what you are thinking about it, let me know in a comment section, because your comment is very important for me. So see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.